actually started as a student in this program. In late, I would say late 2016. I was the first cohort recruited by the previous academic director to join. I was kind of special case when I joined the program. I already had like 8 years of information security, cybersecurity experience. I worked for what we call the DoD, Department of Defense. I was approached by investors to create my own company. So I created Cryptic. Cryptic is a cryptographic company basically in general, and that was acquired in San Diego. The same people who gave me money to start Cryptic, after they acquired, said, hey, here's more money to start another company. So I started this another company, and also was acquired recently. I lead the program with them. So all of them are Scala practitioners, military officers, engineers, analysts, with at least minimum of 15 years experience. So our curriculum is updated annually. Every single class we have to update annually. And the reason for this, really, again, we have the designation with the Center for Academic Excellence from the Homeland Security and the NSA. We listen to the industry. We have map that we have to meet in terms of the CAE, Center for Academic Excellence, and also partnerships as well. We have people from Cisco, Google, really big company, Airbnb advising us. So advisory council basically. So we have General Atomics, for example. General Atomics built a drone for the US military, right? So the COO of General Atomics is on our board, and he's the chair for our board. We have a CEO, CTO of field of Google, certain vice president of Cisco. So we actually mimic a real life example. So we have a company, we have a website, domain name, we have a statement of work, a contract they sign, we have a time, and each student will take like an actual role, engineer 1, engineer 2, and they have a team lead, and then they have a client. And that, again, we literally give them like a domain name, say this is the company, this is where you're gonna attack, this is where you're gonna secure, here's, go ahead and find the vulnerabilities. And they even sign a contract because we need to bring kind of attention to the legal thing as well. In cyber, we have massive shortage really in jobs. Right now, I tell my students, all AI innovations are amazing. The job is creating, but every single job next to an AI, there's always a security requirement. The United States Navy headquarters is in San Diego. So, and we know that the Navy really practically invented the internet. So internet and security and technology is very big for San Diego. The Navy came to us, or the Department of Defense said, look, we're looking for 3 to 4 people who actually could eventually, we can pay for the last year of their education, and then we can sponsor their security clearance, and then even for employment. I mean, they took 3 out of the 4 we nominated, and eventually they were selected. So really, I'd say just the location itself, the curriculum, the hands-on, really the industry partnership, all of that really makes it really unique.